So GPT-5 just dropped, or no, it's not GPT-5. What am I saying? ChatGPT 5.2 actually dropped a couple days ago, but the image generator dropped today. This is like 1.5. So I'm gonna show you a couple of the examples. I don't know. I think it's okay. I find like the models have a hard time recreating my face, or maybe it's just the face that I think that I have, but, maybe I think I look a little different than I actually am, I'm not sure, but I find like it doesn't always replicate my face perfectly. So, trying it in ChatGPT, so you can do, like, a bunch of different fun things in GPT. I guess I could show you that. So you can go here to images, and you can, like, pick, like, what you want, like, all these different styles. Actually, let me try bobblehead while I have a second. We'll see how that goes. Oops, sorry about that. So yeah, so this one I did a plush toy here. So that was pretty cool. That's like not hard and easy to like not mess up, I guess, for the models. But then now let's do my face. So for this one, I don't think that looks like my face. It's like close, but I've done this generation before and it looked a lot better. Um, I actually did it here as well that I don't think looks like me at all. He's pretty jacked. I'll take that, but no. And this one here with glasses, I think that looks a little bit more like me, but I don't think this one does at all. And then I just watched a YouTube video and somebody did a thumbnail. So this is like in the studio, and I said this. So this is pretty good. The hat looks really good. Hat looks perfect. Face is like close enough. And then I did it for my female avatar here, Kelsey. So this is her face, and this is pretty good. It's still a little bit off, but that's pretty good for like a YouTube thumbnail. And then I did another one of her in um, a nice setting, so that's pretty good. So yeah, so you can try it out instead of having to go over to Gemini. You can just do it in ChatGPT, so you don't have to get a Gemini account. I mean, if you have a free Gmail account, you can use that. But if you already have a ChatGPT account, which a lot of us have, you can use it here. So I'd love to see your results. I could put some of these prompts in the message and show me exactly what you guys have because I'm curious to see what results other people are getting. All right, I'll see you in the next one.